Press allow, Mom.
I just did.
There you go.
You're both coming in well.
Oh, there's Stephanie.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Mommy.
Oh, can you say hi to everybody?
You guys have matching shirts.
Me and Rain.
Oh, yeah, so isn't that cute?
Yeah. You got a princess on your shirt. Yeah, that's your shirt. She points at her shirt. Rain, where's Daddy's nose? Honk. Where's Daddy's ear? That's your ear. Where's Daddy's ear? Where's Daddy's eye?
Where's your tongue?
Where's Daddy's tongue?
Where's your teeth? Where are your teeth?
You know, this actually is pretty good. We've got all
three are
all
coming
of us,
in well.
Yeah.
All three of you are coming in well.
Yeah.
Or all three of us.
Yeah.
Okay.
What
it's
happened to your
snowing
friend in the hospital?
Oh, he took a bunch of pills.
Who's in the hospital?
One of Stephanie's, one of Andrea's friends.
Someone you know?
Is he all right?
Yeah.
You have to do that.
Are you tired?
We got back here at like 12:30 or 1.
Oh. Where's Cody?
He's in the kitchen.
Oh. Fixing.
No, we just ate.
Oh.
I was talking to Eric a little earlier, and then we made.
Oh, so did you experiment at that point with the iChat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what are you guys doing up there in Alaska?
Oh, it's 12 degrees.
As long as you don't go outside, we've had wonderful, wonderful weather.
Well, as long as the wind isn't up, it's fine. I don't.
The wind hasn't really been blowing.
No, it's been good.
No. We've been waiting anxiously for our 3 feet of snow that we usually get at the end of January, but hopefully we passed it by.
You
guys have been getting it all.
Yeah, we got a lot of snow. Our snow is up past our windows.
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
I could see. And it looks like Fat Cat is in the window, or what was. I don't know where he is now.
He's on the couch.
What's up?
That's for Stephanie.
Awesome.
Oh, thanks, John.
Thanks. Communes at large letter.
A neighbor just brought something over.
Oh, that's nice.
Well, I'm curious about. Keep sending me that.
Is he in communes?
No, just it gets sent to the Camelot.
So how's everything going up there in Alaska?
What?
Oh, good.
It's cold.
Good.
It's been cold.
You?
Yeah. Outside, but not. You know, it's been cold inside too. Both of us.
Yeah, it has. We had the furnace man come one day. It was on Super Bowl Sunday. He came to. He had no heat at all, so it was very cold that day. But actually, it wasn't that bad. We just put a extra layer on, and it was fine. But
To build yourself a little.
I just can't believe how wonderful it is.
Dad, get in the screen. Dad, scoot over. Do this. Go like this, Mom, to the screen.
I'm
Yeah,
not
you
in the
can't see you.
screen, am
Yeah, actually, Mom, that would be better anyway because of the light. Turn the screen to the side a little bit.
Ah,
Now you are.
Toward Dad, yeah, there. Well, now you're out of it, Mom. Now Mom's out of it.
There you go. Oh, now you scoot in.
Oh,
Mom,
he turned it back a little bit.
Are you putting it back?
What?
Mom, scoot in.
Are you putting it back?
My hair?
What?
No. Does it look good?
I don't know. It looks like I'm looking at the picture, and it looks like we're in there.
There you go.
Yeah,
That's
it
perfect.
looks like both of us are in.
It's skipping.
Good.
We can move.
I'm having a bitch of a time getting my medication.
My computer is
sent to her.
skipping. I can't hear.
Your mother and I were arguing about it. Oh,
You can hear?
You know what? Don't ruin this.
you can't hear?
Alright,
Yeah.
come on.
Good.
I can hear
It's
that.
just skipping. Are yours?
Yeah, we're losing both of you.
I'm not losing you at all.
No,
Your voices are coming.
what?
You can't hear me at all?
No, I can hear everybody fine.
Well, your picture is kind of pixelating.
Oh, ours is?
Yeah,
But that's not bad. That's not
it's
bad.
not bad at this moment. But
No. As long as we can hear you.
Huh.
Andrea, you can't hear us?
It's just breaking up a lot. I mean, I can hear you. The audio is, like, I can hear you. It's just, like, skipping.
The audio is fine on our side.
You're,
Yeah, our side too.
now it's, okay. So, what were you saying, Dan?
You can't get medication?
Well, and your mother and I were disagreeing about, I want to go to my pain doctor. And I forgot the reason I want to go to him is the clinic requirement is that you come in every 30 days for a drug test. And I didn't want to commit to that. I don't know. I just feel it just annoys me. Plus the issue of if I ever tested positive, what would happen, you know?
Is it a public clinic or something, or what's the deal with it?
No, it's a private clinic.
he just doesn't want people to smoke marijuana. Is what the whole thing.
No, it's a clinic policy.
Oh,
It's a clinic policy, yeah. And that's why Dr. Polston signed a form. No, it was Polston first.
Oh,
When I first started going there. Very nice and everything. But if he's going to manage the pain medication, then you have to sign a disclaimer that requires that you come in every 30 days for a drug test. And to be honest,
What are they testing? I mean, for everything?
probably for meth and marijuana. And I don't smoke marijuana, but some of my friends do.
so you think you catch it?
Rain.
Well, you do. You know, if you're around somebody who's smoking or if you're in a room with somebody who's smoking, you do. Don't you, Eric?
I don't know. I don't know. Would the pain medication help?
I'm desperate.
Well,
I definitely need it.
Well, then why don't you
But
just
what
go
else?
and take the chance?
That would be my suggestion.
Well, that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to call him tomorrow and see if I can set up an appointment.
What's the medication?
Xanax.
And you took that before, right?
Yeah, I was on it for I don't know how long, but the doctor that I'm seeing now absolutely refuses to prescribe Xanax.
Why?
As far as I know, she thinks she knows it's addictive. And for me, I feel like, what the hell does the matter?
If you're addicted to it.
Yeah, I can get off of it if I need to. She switched me to Klonopin, and the only thing I was concerned about was that I would be able to go to sleep at night. See, when I quit the Xanax, if I ever quit the Xanax, I could never go to sleep. And but taking the Klonopin, I can go to sleep. But now what I'm realizing is absolutely nothing for stress or anxiety.
And Xanax is both. Xanax is an anxiety, isn't it?
It's for anxiety, yeah. And of course, since I've changed 4 or 5 doctors in the past few months, anxiety level is really high. Every time I go to a new doctor, they change things. But anyway, when you were pointing to the nose, Rain was pointing to your nose.
Yeah.
It's just got burned in my memory, and I just cannot get it out. The World Photo Contest Picture Winner of the Year is the woman in Afghanistan who the Taliban removed her nose.
Huh.
Was the winning picture of the year in a photo contest. I just can't believe. Fortunately, they did not show the picture. It was on Democracy Now!
Rain.
Should that not be the winning picture of the year? That seems like a pretty intense picture.
Oh, well, of course. Oh, there's Cody. Hi, Cody.
Hey.
How are you doing?
Just doing some, good. Just doing some dishes.
Oh my God.
Oh, I see. You've got the.
Did you get this, Eric?
No, I didn't.
These?
I got. Here, I'll show you what I got.
Did you get lingerie? Where was the lingerie this year, Mom?
We had a cookie decorating party, and we totally had them out on the couch.
People liked them.
Oh, did you? Well, I didn't get those for Eric and Stephanie because I was afraid that the little one would chew them up, and that's probably not the best thing to have him chewed up. Is that right, Stephanie?
Or spit on or something.
Oh, well, the spit on wouldn't matter so much as.
What are you looking for?
Probably colored with lead dye.
Yeah. I don't know. Eric.
Hi, Rain. Hey, Rain. Hi.
Are you gonna wear that?
Hi.
I got
Rain.
this, but I don't know, Mom. This one doesn't really fit me.
Eric, remember when you bought Mom that one? Remember when you bought Mom one of those?
I do. It was in response to getting these year after year. And I've never gotten one that fits, Mom. You gotta get them.
Right, maybe she was like, I've just been waiting to get one for myself, and that's why she...
There we go. Is that silly? Love, move over here. The sun is right in the camera lens now.
I know.
Those were for you weren't supposed to open them yet. But when did you get them?
And I don't think we should get
I don't know.
my phone
Oops.
first.
Yeah, this is a little better. Come over here, love.
The sound was all weird.
Too much activity going on
Oh yeah, it'll be fine now.
there.
What's going on?
What?
Uh-huh.
Can you hear us? Andrea, can you hear us?
On your front.
There we go. Can you hear us now? Oh shoot.
Did you lose them?
No, I didn't lose them, but I will.
Oh, what?
I will probably if I get a chance.
Sure.
Maybe if I turn it back now. Did we lose you guys? Did we lose you guys? It looks like we lost you guys. Hello?
Wow, that was really painful.
Yeah, no, now you're back.
Now you're back. And there's rain right in front.
Hey, I think what went on was all of the motion.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
It upset the camera.
It seems like it lost reception too.
Yeah. Well, now we're back.
Yeah, except you guys, the sun is right up. You can see the sun is right here, which makes
Yeah.
it hard on our side. I can't rotate the camera, unfortunately.
Oh.
Huh.
Boy, Rain is busy, isn't she?
She's what?
Busy.
Yeah. She's always wants to be doing like 1,000 different things. She's very active. She loves grabbing books off the shelf. Like this
God,
is.
they had some stuff on that your mother and I got trapped into for 3 hours on Nova about children learning and animal learning and comparing species learning. Mollusks learning the difference between same and different. It brought back fond memories for me. You know, that's what was the most important thing for a child to learn is same and different.
Yeah.
It had to be same and different. The big
That was the most
criteria.
important thing.
With the
Yeah.
comb on his head, the rooster crows.
How's that
You
the
know,
most
test
important?
what?
Just one. How's that the
For
most
language.
important?
What?
Language? For
It's
language?
the issue of differentiation and being able to differentiate items. And so, just any simple test that tests for same and different is critical by
In
3
sounds?
words and pictures.
Like to be able to count objects or to be able to, like,
No,
well, you can't count without being able to say these are the same things. Like you have a bunch of, like, you have a bunch of.
Washers or something.
you show 2 items.
A bunch of ducks.
Which one
and have to
are
be
you
able to
showing?
count all ducks.
Some items. Which ones are the
Huh. Oh, we got something going wrong here. Yeah, that's a kitty
But
cat. That's a kitty cat.
You're supposed to be recording.
I am.
You can't hear anything.
I know. I lost you guys. Sorry. I don't know what happened. You're back. Are you there,
Can you hear
Andrea?
us when you're gone?
What's that?
We lost you for a minute, but now you're back.
Yeah,
We are. We're
can you hear
thinking
me?
it probably has to do
hear-
with our phone line.
What, Andrea?
I think it probably has to do with our modem.
Oh.
Can you hear when you're when you can't?
No. And you guys freeze. Your screen freezes.
Oh really?
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's an owl. We saw owls yesterday, huh, Rain?
Oh, did you? Where'd you see them?
We went to the Drumlin Farm. It's a working farm that's like where they let people come in and see stuff.
Oh, how fun!
Man, it's pretty fun. Can you find the owl's beak, Rain? There's the beak. Can you find the owl's eyes? Where's the owl's eyes? That's your eye. Where's the owl's eye? That's the owl's eyes. Right there. Can you find the hippopotamus? Hippo.
Point to Daddy.
She loves books like this.
Oh,
Does she?
Yeah.
Are those some that I got, or are those?
I don't know. We have a ton of books. She loves find the kind of books about finding things. I don't know where all the find the books are. Here. This one she's really good at. In the yard, what can you find? And there's a little ladybug. Where's the ladybug, Ray?
Uh-huh.
That's the flower. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's how you say flower. Flower is like this. Where's the ladybug?
Oh.
That's the bee. Bzz. There's the ladybug. There's the ladybug. Going here. Where's the ladybug?
How are you guys doing as far as getting your trip arranged?
Where's the boots? Well, oh, we lost Andrea, didn't we?
Yeah. Yeah.
Andrea, are you still there?
No, we lost her.
He says her modem. How
Restart it. I'm not coming up to Alaska. Is that what you mean, or to the trip to San Francisco?
Alaska.
Oh, I don't think I can come.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I don't know.
Oh, that's a long trip.
Yeah, it's a long trip.
Do you want me to?
Well, of course I do, but I don't want you to take that long trip, Eric. Of course I'd like to see you.
I think it makes more sense to come up in the summer.
Yeah.
In the summer, we could come up for a lot longer.
What is she pointing to?
And we could bring Rain and Stephanie. It wouldn't be just me. She was pointing at a butterfly.
Ah.
And she was saying she likes the butterfly. Let's see if Andrea's back.
Andrea, are you back?
Hey, Previs has gone offline. Oh, I'm disconnected.
Oh, well, I don't know. You're connected with me.
Well, yeah. I'm back.
Oh, look at her. Evil grin in her face. She's so cute.
Isn't she?
Uh-huh. She is cute. She's talking with her. Lots and lots, isn't she?
Oh, yeah. Jan Prebis cannot participate in a multi-person video chat. Okay, let's stop it. Let's stop it and then we'll come back. Maybe I have to stop recording.